In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Salesforce org to MuleSoft Anypoint Platform. We'll start right inside Salesforce. Sign into your org with an account that has admin permissions, so you can create and manage integrations. From the Lightning interface, open Setup. If you see an option labeled Advanced Setup, go ahead and open that to access the full set of configuration tools. In the Quick Find search box, type App Manager and select it. This is where you manage apps and external client applications that can securely connect to Salesforce. Choose New External Client App. An external client app defines how an outside system, like MuleSoft, will authenticate and request access to your Salesforce data. Give the app a clear, recognizable name. Something like MuleSoft Integration works well, so your team can easily identify its purpose later. You'll notice the API name is automatically populated based on the label. You can usually leave that as is. Add a reliable contact email for ownership and notifications. Use a monitored group or shared mailbox if your team prefers. Now go to the API section and enable OAuth. OAuth is the secure authorization framework that lets MuleSoft request access without exposing user credentials. In other words, it's the industry standard way to allow integrations to act on behalf of a user or a system, with tight control over what they can do. Enter a callback URL. This is the redirect location Salesforce will use after a successful login and consent. Use the callback URL provided by your MuleSoft Anypoint application or your organization's designated redirect endpoint. Make sure it matches exactly, including protocol and path, to avoid callback mismatches. Select the OAuth scopes you need. For this setup, choose Perform Requests at any time, which grants refresh token or offline access, so MuleSoft can maintain a session without prompting a user repeatedly. Also select Access All Data Cloud API Resources, labeled CDP PAR API, if your integration needs data cloud access. Only include scopes your use case truly requires to follow least privilege best practices. Create the app to save your settings. Once it's created, open Settings, then choose OAuth Settings. Here you'll find the consumer key and consumer secret. Carefully copy these values and store them securely. Treat them like credentials and avoid sharing them in chat or email. With that done, head to your MuleSoft Anypoint account, create a new Mule application, and add the Salesforce Connector. Configure the connector using the consumer key, consumer secret, your Salesforce login domain, and the same callback URL you entered earlier. That's all you need to establish a trusted connection from MuleSoft to your Salesforce org. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.